Hey everyone, it's truly fantastic to be here with all of you tonight. We all stand at crossroads in life, don't we? Faced with decisions about careers, relationships, personal growth, or even just how to spend our precious time. We seek direction, often looking for external maps, societal expectations, conventional wisdom, or others' opinions. But what if the most powerful compass you possess lies within you? Tonight, I want to share a profound truth. Let your passion be your guide. So what does it mean to let your passion be your guide? It means trusting that deep well of enthusiasm, that innate curiosity, that intense interest that makes you lose track of time. It's the understanding that your purpose is greater than your fear, and your passion is the clearest path to discovering and fulfilling that purpose. It's about recognizing that when you do what you love, you never work a day in your life, because your love transforms effort into joyful engagement. When you let passion guide you, you unlock incredible energy and focus. It's the intrinsic motivation that propels. Passion fuels progress, making challenges feel less daunting and setbacks merely lessons. Your path becomes uniquely yours, a vibrant masterpiece painted by your own hand, because you are the artist of your own life. Don't hand the paintbrush to anyone else. You stop chasing dreams, not people. Instead, you chase the internal fire that lights your way. How do we tap into this powerful guidance system? It begins with self-discovery. Stay close to anything that makes you feel alive. What truly ignites your spirit? What problems do you feel compelled to solve? What topics could you explore endlessly? These are the whispers of your passion. Once identified, commit to nurturing them. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Integrate small doses into your daily life. One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day by focusing on your passion. Let your passion be the unwavering light that illuminates your path. It will lead you to unexpected opportunities, authentic connections, and profound fulfillment. It will empower you to shine so bright that others can't ignore your light, because your genuine enthusiasm is infectious. Trust this inner compass. It will guide you not just to success, but to a life that is truly vibrant, purposeful, and authentically yours.